Hey everyone, welcome back to Quick Shifts. My name is Jason and we're back again with the Bronco. And if you're like me and you run out of garage space with all your vehicles and you want to have your top down, you got to come up with some solutions for parking outside. If you have rain or if you just want to keep the sun off your vehicle so it's not beating on it all the time, there's a couple of options that you can do out there. So like you guys, I'm being frugal. I went out on Amazon and looked for an inexpensive cover for the Bronco here. So we picked one of those up. We're gonna pull that thing out, take a look at it, throw it on here, and give you our 2 cents on it. If it's any good, I'll have a link down in the description for it. If you guys can use the link, it helps me out as an Amazon partner. I'd really appreciate that. And if it stinks, I won't put that link down there. So let's go ahead and pull that thing out and take a look at it. All right, guys, so here we go. Pick this thing up. I have not taken it out yet. Some very inexpensive packaging, I will say that. But as long as this does the trick, that's all right with me. I'm not too concerned about that. So it looks like you get a great big bag. Now, the reason why they do that is typically these car covers, which I've had many in the past for other vehicles, when you go to fold them back up, they don't fold up quite as nice and neat as they ship. So we'll stick that bag over there for now. So as you look at it now, it's nice folded up. But once you unfold it and install it, that tends to be a much bigger package. So you need a bigger bag to get them in there. So let's go ahead, pull this thing open and see if we can't get it onto the Bronco. All right, guys, so I've tried to lay this out next to the vehicle before pulling it up and over it to the best of my ability. And it's got some reflectors where the mirrors go in, reflectors on the front here, and then there's also some reflectors on the rear, which is good to know. So if you had this parked, say, out in the street and you had this on at night, these reflectors would help keep it visible, keep people from running into it in theory. So let's go ahead and see if we can't pull this over the top of it. All right, guys, so pulling this over the top, as you should be obvious, or you probably already configure. You know, you want a top like this if you get caught in the rain, if you take it to the beach. Like we intend to take ours to the beach, so we'll need this top to keep rain from getting in if we were to go to the beach topless, per se. So that's one of the intentions of having this, to keep the water out, also to keep salt, dust, stuff like that out while you're not using the vehicle. I'll probably get this wrong the first few times trying to get this on though. We'll see what we can sort out here. All right, so got one side partially on. Keep going till we get the whole thing on here. Now I did specifically try to get one that was more of a form fit to prevent it from flapping around. So far, so good. Not so bad, guys. Fits on there pretty nicely. So let's go ahead and walk around this for a second. All right, guys, so here we go. We got the cover on, just pulled it right over the top. not hard to do. The first time you pull it out, you do have to separate this. It's kind of like static clung to itself in here. So you have to separate it out and lay it out like I did. That'll really help you out. And then you pull it right over on top of it like this. And now I'll walk around it and take a look at it with you. All right, guys, so again, you have the reflectors on the mirrors that stick out. You have reflectors on the front corners. It has these tie downs built into it where you could strap it onto your wheel spoke, or even put something in the ground if you were on a soft ground. But you can see it's pretty form fit, and it is made so if you have the hard top on, which I don't right now, so it's kind of sagging back here. But if you did, that would be filled in, totally filling up the entire bag here, or cover, whatever you want to call this. But you could tell, you know, I bought the least expensive one I could, so there's a little bit of quality issues there. But, you know, I'm not going to use this a whole lot. It's more of a precautionary thing that I picked it up for. So we'll have these, you know, the two reflectors in the rear in case I should need this if we're ever on a trip where I take the top off, or if I go visit somewhere, or, you know, whenever you have a flash storm and you want to put some protection on the top of your Bronco to keep water from getting in, you have that option. And of course, the tie downs are on all four wheels here. You have them on the rear, you have them on the front. This just gives you peace of mind. And for what I paid for it, wasn't too much money. I'll have that link. This is not a sponsored ad by any means. It's just me buying stuff, you know, accessories for my Bronco, and I want to share my experience with you guys. But I do like how this fits over the mirror, and these do stick out. You can still fold the mirror in if you want to for added protection, and that doesn't cause any problem. But I wanted to give you guys a look at this so you could see what it looks like if you've been considering one of these. It's just a nice accessory to have. You never know when you're going to need it. All right, guys, now that we got it on here, we're going to go ahead and pull it off and shove it back into that bag. And you'll see how much it expanded like I was telling you earlier. So let's go ahead and start pulling it off. You want to be careful. You pull it off somewhat gently so you don't rub it up against the vehicle. Also, so you don't damage the cover itself, because you can tear it. Not that it's a super expensive cover, but you want to use it multiple times. So just pulling it up and over to get the job done. It does have a big strap to go across the center as well. Once you got it off, then you're just going to try and fold it up to the best of your ability. So there's no perfect way to do this. Just try to go end to end on it. Once you sort of got it folded up, then we'll try and get it back into the bag. So I'll go grab that bag. So that bag no longer looks so big anymore. So we'll go ahead and take it and try and stuff it into the bag. There we go. Now it fills the whole bag. All right, guys, so thanks for watching this short video on the Bronco cover. I have the link to the product for Amazon where I purchased this. If you guys can use that link if you're thinking about something like this, that helps me out a little bit. I really appreciate that. Again, thanks for watching. Thanks for the likes. Share this with a friend who's looking for a cover, or, you know, drop any comments, questions you might have, and I'll do my best to fill those out. Otherwise, we'll check you guys out next time.